Hey everybody, quick demo here on the Snugpak Anorak. This comes in multicam. I believe this comes in a few colors. It compacts into itself into a handy pillow, or you could use this as a prop, or you could use this to rest the barrel of your rifle. They did a nice job on this. This I believe is a 300 layer or the 3-layer, meaning 300 heavy duty for freezing ass cold New Mexico type winters. Okay, everybody loves New Mexico, but the wind of New Mexico, maybe not so great. Anyway, this just opens up. This is not a reversible anorak, just FYI. It's a ripstop multicam. They did a real nice job on it, and yours truly is going to be using this in short order because it's freezing balls in New Mexico in the wintertime. But this is it. Nice piece of kit, and a quick review. Hey, have a great day. God bless you, and God bless America. Snugpak, not endorsed, just saying.